Yes, omurebe wa KR Media News Center webare kubano jeno mission following amukutugwetu gwa YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram kando na kureri zoba no bano chima program yitu najeta Street Jam tonshitera ntoturiya street twatwine Abeshongozi bamani twatwine Abeshongozi Western region oro musana ko na trending umuyihangari yona kandi izuka nguno Baine Rama Yuji majema je clear incredible ne kwani jeno musokani kwereza izuka kanda bakuteka mu center twine aba Maclean Rest House, Maclean Rest House Manyaweri.
Maclean Rest House.
Rubirizi districts.
Rubirizi district. Hey.
Awa rubazoro.
Kande jokane man guy.
Bas. Maclean Rest House ni bateka mu center kureka mutwasa kwantukisha Street Jam kandi izuka mutwinena na aba Jonathan International College of Science Kampala twarumana wa usokwana je musukura kana futunga obogise burungi kandi wamara kubona utunga obogise burungi bano mangu nyicha kare ne kone jena kurunjo miso kandi ko kwani nduga yaho nchigama Maclean Rest House nesangwa omurubi district naho kanda aho arubaziro wa headquarters za district omurubi 5 kanso rekongo sokwana twara yo bine ebyo kuriya birungi bino boraro burungi nonda kurambara nonda kubana nonda kumanya ebiriyo munankejo mukineza Baine National Park nonda kujena musukura kana kwasaganya ambere stars zimwe na zimwe manyango ekintu ekiro ko jeno musokwana chukaza kurunjo munonga nichiza mbasokwana tujeno musokwana tuyigoro kare kurunjo munonga izukangu tuyene program yerizo ejeneza kuba eriyo muro neza kuba eriyo muro fantastic tuyene Rob Rose senior no match cha Rob Rose kakwikatana kagamba nsinga saramu kumampuna mbere Rob Rose
guy ni mugambe man nibigambo binyi munonga abo kugira ngo ndiyo muhande kikano muhande cyo inako ine aho kwihebugambo no toraho like mweno maraga agatora ho nekitara no maraga toraho siga byarire
start pose necho bakwaneka na nkeje.
Yes, where you keep the harvest like atujene ngwahinga wa kolachi wa bika umchitara then kokusyobwiro yayo so atunyonye nekitara cyachi chebigambo ni ntoroho to akacha kuteke na nkeje eminece musigashi mere mutora yo butozi nuzire kusinga isuka ngo muri wa KR Media News Center turiano arba nanuka street no turi Robros nanuka driver manyogo muri mbara actually ho wanshanga street edge nanindiga umusauna Abajeta Vision Empire been the biggest sauna in Bara, been the biggest bar Ebara yabo guy. Karango guy, it is, you know, when someone does good, you must appreciate.
Arba drive arona keji
our hotels, our hotel Travels Hotel, our subs, our Westland Hotel, our Oxford, our Pelican, our Ninjman. So one of the places. Bro, yes, because Nintulambara guy.
No mwesongozi kana turambara nwana manya ebintu bikurira mu sente ebintu byamane ebintu biri
not best kuri am sente konka kumanya myanye iri important in life
aba manyo ati kanyo biro bona mara mutunyene necho na
no mwanangu muje mwamwe sente bonka you can come there and enjoy sports, you can come and enjoy a match, you can come and be sauna. It is 6,000 oshegere
turkari yecho Robros ebiro buzire bakajara ngo ryo mwesongozi wa rais Aromutu ya baraka de Robros ori mwesongozi wa rais no Vare Music.
Brother Raman in following mnonga I always watch your interviews. I saw that young man Vare Music.
Nyoke yagamba ngo mwesongozi wa rais nagira mufiti.
Vare Music akiregambe cyo kuba umushongozi bagurra obakwansiza enzu bakamuzweka bakamukora audio bakamukora video aina management eri munere ko ari kumpushinga yes akatoba ni mmanya kunkata kabasa kwingana Robros akekora buri kimwe cyono.
Ati management nana sabiriza ngana na ari antu yozeze
ri ati napansi nyanga napansi senzo nganye kupansi senzo nundo muri mbara
management nere kwanza buri kimwe nene chikweleza
of course nene chikweleza so he is okay because the management has given him all he needs. Maybe if I had a chance to get someone to manage me he would never say what he's saying because he never kana blaming ngunkeshongora kanvo njoka jire yambara akana blaming ngunkeshongora kanvo bampimtali kum bro nuba kwa vampiri kum tingo da kugama bampimtali kum abakwa kungwa nyenda renting kugama nyenda rent
bono chiza kwesongora sente kwesongora sente ezo
ni mbasa kweshongora even less than that as long as I know why I'm choosing to sing for that kubabu tomanyi ntokumanya kundire tokumanya kunsibire tokumanya anything, so you have right to say anything you are saying, but ebinkwata kuze bibange ebibyo bisigaze
bibera bibyo gwenga gwe
bwana
tunogira ngo akata ikire kugamba kugira ngo ryo musongozi wa rais kusanga nosongora sinje mutwari kumwe no supporting ngo show yawe ne mutwari kumwe akwa na ngoro bros ryo muntu wamane ico ni kimwe nyuma ya ngoro bros tugira ngo kesongora ari akanova yambara kugira ngo kone ko muto wambara ukena ngo jireni
bado nkubuza nangwa nanka vale music akana jangu wetu akana complaining ngo bakamuha list at ka utabenda shonge mutari 10 awachia bana kuza list
wakisateza kazanga
kashika ya complain njye ngo
wakajara ngo list akana wakasemana na barbata batarasi
meaning chiba tayamwe cha list no kugira ngo bakarangwa mutari 10 kutakujideserving
bwana webe
deserving abakaza
bwana webe.
It could be Obey, it could be someone who is too cheap to get that.
Chineni mbuzaro bros. Uyo muntu wamani. Yashikwa na kumanya. Omuntu yananda kutwara umusho na kusasura mutwari 10.
No. Njirigera wenka wa aya kona kutwara umusho yeye na ndeba muchi. You get? Ezako gamba ati Robros ni nkwezi nani ndangu ndabaho. Nizo zindukwata.
Kasi mbara kawaje sungure mtwari 10. Mbara ukawe sungure mtwari.
Nchinaga nani ndeba ndabaho nizo ndukwata. Bako wito kumanya rent nchashire zingahe. Tokumanya how my song no manyango cheshongo chanje chikurenga Radio West because I have not done anything to the producer. Watch it. It's not playing. It's a big song. Wonder Girl is a big song. If given the chance, Wonder Girl can become maybe my breakthrough, you know, nationwide. But someone is not playing my song because I can't give him 10,000 or 20,000.
No, so.
Ateje mtwari 10. Waja muntaje shongora. There's some radios here that haven't played my music at all because I have not done anything to the presenters, maybe the DJs or producers. Because awamwe ni wale kango kuyaboha producer wa program.
Producer wachira kubana na baremesa manonga music ya Western. Naza wachamara no barugwata nikakubana bayomba manyama.
Amwe bakacha business blood. So mutnateka yangu
Wale misena keje wa producers za kubarondoreza aba radio kusinga.
Shanga ngo muntu yakunyije.
Bana machari wanje MVP ona.
So mtari kumigaye yagamba nyowe bazabe nuza kuza less than that I would still work if I saw I was passing. Echo ni cyangamba blood.
Tine ariza yajatinza kuizanta zure shade. No moreba live and clear.
Yeah.
Abachi baziteka.
Umushongeza ande terizo TV na nyina kwereka abantu face yanje bajeje kandi ba marking. I want to take this chance to advise every musician, every artist. Mostly music is one of the devils that are in the world. Most musicians dropped out of school. So you have 4 dropouts, S6 dropouts, P7 dropouts. My brother, if you know you didn't get education, go back and get education. My brother, if you know you didn't get education, go back and get education because it's a very, very important thing. Kachaina is a living example right now. Umahogna graduating. He went back to school after 15 years and has now earned his degree.
Bros, bros, atunoreba advice je ya Abeshongozi ninungi. Okaro woriya ayajati nkakumu primary 3. On primary 3 you can still go to P4. No, by the time you are there, you begin seeing things that you never saw. You get? You begin hearing people speak things that you never had anyone speaking. No matter